Okay, end of a long, beautiful day in Costa Rica is bedtime. Nightly routine, set the alarm. Set the alarm. Oh boy, apparently the warning I've been getting saying keypad batteries are low, they ran the end of their cycle here, and now my keypad is dead, but I gotta go see if I've got 4 AA batteries, I believe. I don't like going to bed without the alarm on, so let's see what I got. So I went to my drawer where I keep all my spare batteries, and guess what? I have no new AA batteries in stock, and it's late tonight, no stores are open, and I want this working. So the question is, can you use AAA in a AA enclosure? I do have a set of 4 AAAs. So what you can do this for a temporary basis. I'd certainly rather have my alarm working than not. So for tonight, till I can go buy some AA's, I'm gonna do this. And I know it works, I've done it before, like in remote controls and such. Made it work, and we'll do it again. So here's what you gotta do. Only difference between these batteries is capacity. The voltage is the same, and the size, of course. So you've got a AA and a AAA side by side. You want to take your tin foil, make a little ball of tin foil that's going to bring the length of the AAA to the same length as a AA, and insert them in your enclosure for whatever you're dealing with. So we just have to put that tin foil in against the spring end, put the AAA in, make sure it's centered on the contact point, and repeat the process for all 4 in this one. In the case of this one, put the tin foil in, tin foil again for the last 2, make sure you got contact on both ends, and the final one. Before we close it back up, let's just make sure it's alive and well. Okay, so there it is. It's alive again. Get me through the night till I can go get some AA batteries in the morning. So the answer to the question, can you use AAA batteries to replace AA in an emergency? And the answer is yes. Okay, now I can get some rest knowing that my alarm is set. I think I'll sleep a lot better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like. Subscribe to my channel, it really does help grow the channel. Throw some comments down below if you think it's a good idea or a bad idea, or if you think it's a great thing to do in a temporary situation to get you out of a bind. Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician. We'll see you in the next one.